Happy New Year, everybody. It's your boy, Dwight Ruffin, aka the Good Energy Affiliate. And the reason why I call myself that is because I made spreading good energy the focal point of my business. That's what I believe in life, and always spreading good energy. And I wanted to make that the focal point of my business. So anytime you see me, my face, you see my name, my videos, energy, I want my ads, anything related to me, I want it to be associated with me bringing you guys good energy, okay? So whether I'm promoting something or just giving away some free information like I am in this video today, I want anytime you see me, think of me, hear me, anything related to do with me, I want it to be associated with nothing but good energy. Okay, so let's get into it. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily make $100 a day online through a website called User Testing. Now, what user testing is basically companies that have either changes to their website or new websites or apps that they want to get some feedback on before they go live. They submit them to user testing, and then user testing finds people like us, and they will pay us to actually review these sites and to basically think out your thoughts as they ask you to do these little menial tasks. Now, some of these things can take you. I've done some of these tasks that take you. I've done one that took me like 5 minutes, and the longest one I've done took me about 45 minutes to an hour. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the website now and show you a little bit more about what it is. So here, check it out. Okay, so here we are inside the app or the website. Once you go to usertesting.com, you could be able to create a free account. It actually costs $0 to join this site. So you can create a free account, and once you create your free account, you'll come to a screen that looks like this. It was going to give you all of the available tests, as you can see right here. Now, most of these tests, as you'll see, will pay you just about 10 bucks. And what you have to do is they'll ask you a couple of questions to see if you qualify for that particular task. And then if you do, you just take the task and you make 10 bucks. So it's really easy to do 10 of these a day and make 100 bucks a day. This makes it really easy, but some of these you're actually, if I can find one here, some of them actually pay a little bit more. They have like live conversations that'll take up to 30 minutes, that'll pay you 30 bucks, and they have some that take up to an hour that'll pay you 60 bucks. So I've done one live conversation. It actually only took about 45 minutes. It was a FaceTime phone call, and I got paid 60 bucks for it. Now, as you can see, these are really, really easy, really simple questions they ask you just to see if you qualify for that particular task. And like I said, so it's really easy to, like I said, to make, do 5, 10 of these a day, 50, 100 bucks a day, really easy. Now, if you have an iPhone or an Android, you can also, some of these, just see if I can find one here. Some of these you can also do on your phone. It'll ask you to do it on your phone. So there's also an app. I've done some of these on my phone as well. And let's see if I can find, here's one here for an iOS or an Android smartphone. So all you would do is to say, once you have your free account, you would just download the app and you can go in straight from your phone and do the same thing there. All right, guys, so there you have it. Like I said, I didn't want to make this video too long. Just wanted to give you a real quick and easy way that you can sign up for a free website, pull the app up whenever you got some free time and make, like I said, easy $50 or $100 a day. What I usually do is when I got some downtime, which isn't very often, but nowadays, when I do got some downtime waiting on my car to get service or something like that, I'll just pull the app out, see if I can knock out a couple of tasks and, make a quick 10, 20, 30 bucks. You know what I mean? So, hope you guys like and comment on this video. Let me know what you think about it. Follow me for more. I'll leave a couple of links down at the bottom if you want to know a little bit more about, me and how I got to where I am and a lot of the things that I'm doing right now. So just check the comments below and check the links that I got down low for you. And like I said, like, comment, follow me for more.